In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Adobe Lightroom. If you're switching tools, freeing up space, or just doing a clean reinstall, the easiest and most reliable way to remove Lightroom is through the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. This keeps everything tidy and ensures shared components are handled correctly. Start by opening the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. You can launch it from your Applications or Start menu, or by clicking the Creative Cloud icon in your system tray or menu bar. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so you can access your installed apps. Once the app opens, navigate to the Apps tab. This is where all your Adobe applications live. Look for Lightroom in the list. Depending on your plan, you may see Lightroom and Lightroom Classic listed separately. Make sure you're selecting the one you intend to remove. Next to Lightroom, click the three dots to open the Options menu, then choose Uninstall. The app will ask you to confirm. If Lightroom is currently open, you'll be prompted to close it before continuing. Go ahead and close it so the uninstall can proceed smoothly. During the process, you may see an option to keep or remove preferences. If you think you might reinstall Lightroom later, keeping preferences can save time because it preserves things like your layout and settings. If you want a fresh slate, choose to remove them. Either way, your photos and catalogs are not deleted by this process. Lightroom does not remove your image files or catalog files. Those stay wherever you save them, typically in your Pictures folder or on an external drive. It's always smart to keep regular backups, but the uninstaller won't touch your actual photo library. You'll see a progress indicator while the app removes Lightroom and any associated components that are no longer needed. This usually takes a few minutes. When it's finished, the status will change, and you'll see an Install button appear next to Lightroom, which confirms it's been removed. If you ever need it again, you can click Install right there to bring it back. If Lightroom doesn't show up in your list, try scrolling to the Installed or All Apps sections, or refresh the Creative Cloud app. Being signed in to the correct Adobe account also matters, since apps are tied to your subscription. That's it. Open the Creative Cloud app, go to the Apps tab, find Lightroom, click the three dots, and choose Uninstall. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cleanly remove Lightroom with confidence.